As you can see, I'm working on the corner brackets. There's 8 of them that need to be done. I've only sawn one of these, and notice that the tenons that are on the side and the top, so they fit into the legs and fit into the rails in the corner. And so I've got 8 to do, and I've got a strip of 5/8 thick mahogany here, and I've got a bunch of templates printed out. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got to do 3 more here, and then and what I do here is I position this up here like this, and I use this glue stick. This is great stuff for making templates. I use it all the time. And so I just take the glue stick and cover it like that. And I need to get it up to, I've already made the tenon up at the top. I'll have to do the tenon on the side after I cut these things out. So that's about all that has to be done. And then I've got to get a couple more of these located on this plank.